Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, LED headlights, power lift gate, stability control, traction control, lane departure warning, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.